The Ten of Cups is Moon or Mercury in Aquarius. Some would say it's Uranus. In the Crowley deck, we are looking at Mars in Pisces. And it's the card of satiety. It's more than you need to be content, but it's hasn't turned against you like the Seven of Cups or something would. And of course, the quinary demons are Dentalion on the left, a picture and a sigil, and Andromalius on the right, a picture and a sigil. And so regarding the demon of appearances of pornography or showing off or various things like that, we have the Lizabama chant. Zaztav Zavi and the feet, the air, the heaven and hell, and Andromalius. We have Gazaz Virm Zimwiel Zorfa Lim. So protect space, I think, and heaven and hell. Pegasus is like the breath or that sort of stuff. This mystical being that carries the mystic or the prophet on their journey. And in the background, on the forehead of the clown wall, we have the insane clown posse, horror, comedy, some level of shocking and disturbing. Because of the general theme of the Ten of Cups, we have Benny Benassi's Satisfaction, that cringy thing that even Simpsons spoofed in multiple ways. The paraplegics or the robots. I've seen some film, something on the Unimagic YouTube channel as like sexualizing robots or something. So, that's, of course, Unicult has, that there was this idea of a robot brothel, and there were people who thought it could make money, but didn't want to finance it. There was one guy that I've communicated with that said that he was thinking of putting the $250,000 in himself, but he said that, but anyways, that's really beyond the point. John Wayne Gacy is rather prominent in what we see here. But Benassi, they got the machine thing, and it's related to the system, and the system, obviously, the system uses us in different ways. Either we're factory workers or figureheads of some sort or whatever. So yeah, John Wayne Gacy being arrested, John Wayne Gacy's outfit and painting, and him in his outfit, and that house where he buried all those bodies. I decided not to include anything from the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. And Rolling Stones, Insatiable, but again, this is beyond satisfied, this sort of thing. And well, I guess that's what John Wayne Gacy was after, is that, It wasn't that he was living a lie with his wife. It's just he had some other stuff to do. And after his stay in prison, what he did became a lot more sadistic and a lot more demeaning and stuff. Now, as I said, dark memes here, dark memes. And I mentioned that Andromalius is the entity of theft, protecting from theft, something related to that issue, property security or whatever. Uthyrm is treasure, wealth, value, the knowing of such. And I mean, there's more we can say about these things here, but and perhaps I'll refine it a little bit. I mentioned it's haunted cornhair or Camille in the picture, and I guess I've had the one variation of the sigils as sort of a beret or headband or something like that. I don't know quite what word to put on it.